What's up everybody, it's Crypto Ben, and today guys we're gonna check out all the latest updates here for Baby Dogecoin. Check it out. Here we are, core market cap right now. It says here the market cap for Baby Dogecoin is $300 million. The volume here did go down. We're at $8.5 million, but they go down by 14%. And in overall 6% down for the token. Now what happened? We're at 0.000019. So basically, yeah, these are NFTs, super cool, super cute. So it says Happy Monday, just crossed over 150,000 followers. It says here 0.2 plus Ethereum floor on OpenSea and 600 plus Ethereum volume. Pretty cool if you ask me. You got here trending. So yeah, the Baby Dogecoin has been trending for the longest time. They actually have, I think, down here some interesting, yeah, this one I want to show. So it says Metaverse variable preview. In the end, they are fulfilling the roadmap that they promised that they are going to do. So yeah, they just need to a couple more things here and the roadmap is done. So I'm excited to see what's going to happen with the new roadmap. So they're probably going to update this old roadmap and make a new one that's going to have a lot more things here. So we're going to see what's going to happen with that one. Hopefully it's going to be some interesting projects that these guys are going to work on. They are, I think, working on their own metaverse, so it should be in their back end that they are doing something like that. So pretty interesting. Does Baby Doge still have a ton of potential? Yes, it does. The problem is the market is really bad right now. So if you're expecting for it to hit some new all-time highs pretty soon, it's not until. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see what's gonna happen in the end to all of crypto, and especially here Baby Dogecoin. It's pretty easy to see that we're in the red zone right now. So Bitcoin did fall down a lot yesterday. So we had a massive sell-off here. We got from $40,000 per Bitcoin to basically reaching here to $36,000 here for Bitcoin. So because that, yes, the whole market just went down. And yeah, now we're trying. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.